Alright, we're going to be unboxing the Meta Ray-Bans. I got a pair of the headliners, they just came in today. And they are prescription, so I'm about to ditch these glasses. First thing that comes to mind is presentation. Just the way that this box even opened is kind of insane if you ask me. And then not only that, you pop this open and you got a nice felt on the inside of this case. Seem to be a little bit bulkier than my other pair of glasses. These were the ones I was wearing today. So yeah, they definitely are a little bit bulkier, but not like obscene or intrusive. Moment of truth, will they fit? Okay. I'm greeted with a beep right away. These are actually going to be the transition lenses as well. So I'm curious how these will be in the sunlight. Stay tuned for an update on that. Right away, you just get the beep in the ears. It's kind of nice. See a light blue light right here on the inside. You can see that here. Inside you get the glasses, the charging case, and a lens cloth. What else I got in here? Getting started menu item. Safety warranty information. They got the getting started. So first things first, we got to download the Meta app. So that's what I'm gonna do is go ahead and install the Meta app here. It's already got it, but I'm gonna update it. Go ahead and put these back on. Man, I'm a fan of these audio right off the gate. That's one of the main things I noticed right away. Put on your glasses. Got it. Done that. Press the capture button once. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Press and hold the capture button to start a recording. We are officially rolling a video on a video. Videoception. Press the capture button again. Stops the recording. Tap the touchpad once, which is going to be right here. So I think it's only proper that we do an audio test right away. Okay, we're bumping music. Okay, that music quality is pretty good. At first I was a little bit iffy, but I turned it up and it sounds really amazing. Sounds like there's some sort of EQ thing going on. I'm not too sure what that's all about. I'm gonna have to look into that. Swipe forward to turn up, swipe back to turn down. Hey Meta, look and describe what I'm seeing.
You are seeing a blurry image of a lamp and possibly a TV or computer screen in the background. I may also use your interests, location, and profile to provide relevant responses.
First impressions. I'm impressed with them. Curious to see how these will evolve into my workflow with everything. I really got them for the video features, so that's one thing I'm curious to keep trying out in the future. But initial impressions, I'm impressed. I kind of wish I would have got the matte black frames. I'm gonna see if that's something that can be switched out, but otherwise I like them. I'm happy with them so far and what they've done in the initial tests and impressions. So let me know what you want to know about these glasses and I'll kindly answer them and any comments or in future videos. Thanks for watching.